I need like a drink. Beerless alcohol. Hey guys, Karina here. Today we are going to be doing a spring closet cleanup video. Well, to be more accurate, a spring hallway cleanup video, because you see over there all that clothing piles in my hallway. It's been there for, I'm not gonna lie, for about the past 2 months or so, because I've just been so nauseous and so tired to even bother cleaning any sort of clothing up in my room or around the house. So yeah, I just kind of just let it pile. And today we're gonna clean it all up. And because I am currently 4 months pregnant, a lot of the clothes that I had fit into for the past month or so, I wouldn't be able to fit in the coming months or so. You guys get me, right? Oh my god, my arm hurts from holding the camera. Hold on, give me 1 second. Whew. And for those of you who usually watch my closet cleanup videos, what I do is I separate all the clothing that I want to clean up into multiple segments or multiple bins, and then using those categories, one of them will for sure be going on sale on my blog. So if you guys are familiar with that, so I will be putting all the clothing that I wore for maybe like once, or maybe just like a few minutes or so for a try on haul, into that category. And then you guys can check the description link down below to shop my closet, and these will all be like 99% like brand new, still with tags on them. So yeah, without further ado, let me show you my hallway. Don't be shocked. You guys are being like, how do you live like this? You know what, girl? I just do, okay? I somehow manage. So this is what my hallway currently looks like. It's kind of, you know, like a fire hazard and a trip hazard, especially when you have a 4-year-old toddler trying to run around all the time just to get to his room. So trust me, I don't feel great about this. We're gonna take everything from here, put it in my office, and start the cleanup process. So usually I would do all of this by myself, but I currently have, as you can tell, a very much lack of muscle groups. So I hired my muscle right here. Hi.
Hi.
Can you help?
Yeah, of course. I want to do this. It's getting way out of hand.
Okay, so what
how
we're gonna do is we're gonna take everything that is in this hallway right here, and then we're gonna put it in the floor on the office, and then I can sort it. Yeah, so let's dump these boxes here first, because they're I know it doesn't look like it. I promise you it is already semi-sorted. So let's dump these guys on the floor, okay? And then we can work through it box by box. You're my mule.
Sure. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
That's one box. Yeah, just here, yeah. Second box. Oh, a PR package.
There's 2 more PR packages.
Yum. Wait, why did I just say yum?
You want to eat them?
Great. Thank you. Heart.
A few moments later.
I'm not looking forward to this, you guys. Thank you. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, this is a Lisa skirt.
Oh, yeah.
I need a drink.
I'll hold it up and you tell me. But you never feature that, huh?
I don't think I can.
What is that? That looks so grandma.
This is the goblin scarf.
Oh. Another batch on the floor.
Okay, so we're done with the first batch. that actually didn't take as long as I thought it did. But I just realized I have another problem, you guys. This closet here is also getting quite full. These are all my winter coats. More winter coats. So now let's focus on our winter coats and bring all the coats in here and see which one go where. Hey, it's my Dalmatian coat.
Do you remember these?
You mean people don't need 10 hats?
Oh my god, this.
I didn't know I had this many coats.
You know.
There's more?
Oh my god.
Guys, oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, it's getting really overwhelming in here. I don't know if you can tell, but these are probably all the coats and the jackets that I should be categorizing. And why do I have so much? Can you like toss a few so people can see, like, you know, it's a real pile, you guys. It's not like boxes or anything under. It's like full of coats and jackets. I don't think I can do this. Pete just brought up another blue bin over there to help us sort and organize, but honestly, I think we're gonna need like 5. I think it's so overwhelming.
Like, you don't want to sort through it, or you don't want to...
I don't want to sort through it. Can you sort through it for me?
How about that? No!
Keep one scarf, okay?
Okay,
One.
okay, keep one.
One.
Ah.
Done! Are we all done?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Okay.
I'm done. Finally. Oh my god. I need like a drink and some food and more drinks. So this is the pile that I'm gonna keep. Because I like it. And then these ones, oh yeah, let me show you. Preview, this pile and that pile is going to go on my closet, so you guys can buy these items if you would like. So they are all pretty much, as I said, like 90% brand new. Most of them have tags on. Make sure to check the link in the description box below to shop my closet. So these ones are for friends and family, and then that one is for donation. There's also 2 huge donation bins outside on the hallway. And then we successfully cleared this closet as well. So there's only 2 jackets left in here that I would like to keep for spring and maybe for fall 2021. And over here, there's nothing! Well, it's just a scarf, but you know, everyone wears scarves. Let me show you so these are the clothes that I'm keeping for my spring work outfits video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm going to be using these pieces and some from my keeping pile. And also, did you guys know there were chairs underneath all the clothes? I did not know. Like, I've been sitting on a freaking stool to work these few days, and I didn't know that my chair was actually here. I'm so tired. I'm just gonna chill in the hallway. Yeah, those 2 piles are the 2 piles for donation. Thanks guys for watching. I'm just totally gonna like chill now, okay? With a beer in my hand. Beerless alcohol. Bye! Thanks for watching. Love you all.